Isn't he beautiful? Dun, 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 dun. This is my friend Gertrude. She's on holiday from Spain. She's an exchange student. As you can probably see that they don't shave their armpits over in Spain. There we go, do it again. That's beautiful. There we go. It's against their religion. They're not allowed to show their mouth either. You can see they're probably very masculine over there.
Oh, very masculine. Very.
So how long are you over here for?
No, I've been here for now 6 months. So I'm coming from another 6 months here.
Oh, right.
Oh, it's lovely. Reality, I make up this beautiful for special occasions.
And what do you like about Adelaide?
I love it because it's a city of churches and I'm going to get married.
To
I'm
who?
coming to Brad Pitt. He lives in Australia, doesn't he?
No,
Or is he live?
in Uranus.
Excuse me, I don't think it's very nice to say. Just because I'm an exchange student and staying at your house, you don't have to speak to me like that. Mom was just changed.
As you see, my friend's just, his voice is just broken. Oh, God.
No, son. I think my voice is broken a bit too much.
Well, it's come back now.
Show us your lips.
It's my speciality.
What your lips?
Yeah.
She
Don't
see
look at my
that.
teeth. They're nice.
As you see, they don't have breasts over there
I
either.
do so.
Well, you don't have any.
I do so.
Show us.
No.
Shy.
These are my titties. In here. See the dirty. Oh!
Legs.
I'm not showing my legs. Don't show my head legs. The speciality. I'm not shaving my lips today. I'm not shaving my lips today.
I also want to
Hazel. Everybody Sam was farted.
I did not.
She did.
I did not.
She did.
I did not.
I swear you she did. Not today, Griselda.
Oh my goodness, it's not my friend, my Spanish friend. It's John.